I mean, the Guts event has obviously been now running for 9 years. It's our 9th year, and it's an event that's grown over those 9 years now to what, some over 3,000 young people are going to be coming here to Magna.
25% of our workforce are made up of engineers, and another great lump are made up of material science. Both those skills capabilities require apprenticeship schemes programs, graduate schemes programs.
Welcome to the 9th Get Up to Speed Science, Technology, Engineering and Manufacturing Day.
Well, we've spent most of our day judging our competition with the primary schools, which has been probably even harder than building a theme park, because the standard we've seen and have to make a decision has been really, really hard work today, because there's been such creativity and such teamwork on show. It's been great to see in primary school children.
What I hope other people get out of this event is that employers get to interact with young people and get their message across. As I said in the panel discussion, we as a country need to make more use of our intellectual capital.
Quite spectacular. It is a wonderful event. It gives children, young people and parents and teachers and employers the chance all to get together in one room at one time, and for children and the young people to actually get some appreciation of what is on offer out there.
I think it has a fantastic impact. I was saying earlier to someone that as we walked in, there were a number of children walking around and actually going out, and you could see the looks on their faces and the enthusiasm as they were talking to each other, that they'd obviously enjoyed their time here.
You'll see that some of the people who come here as students have gone on to get apprenticeships and jobs for employers who've exhibited here. So the system works.
Whenever I speak to any of my friends, whether they're in education or business, I always recommend coming to this event, because I think it's a good stepping stone for students and businesses to get to know each other and decide, especially for the students, what they want to do when they're older.
We find that year on year it's been growing, and the part of the reason for being here is also to show our support in trying to find the next engineers of the future and encouraging schools to promote manufacturing and engineering as a whole within their sectors.